If you're anything like me, you hate the new style gas and diesel cans with the safety pours. They're cumbersome to use, they leak all over the place, and they're just generally kind of a pain in the butt. So today I'm going to show you a workaround to turn a new style gas or diesel can into more of an old school one.
Seriously, I just had it.
The things that you'll need for this project are a Blitz style spout. You can get these on Amazon. I got a 2-pack for like $7. You'll need some safety wire or a coat hanger, a drill bit, a step drill, a new valve stem, an old style one, a valve stem tool, pair of pliers, and of course a drill. If you look right here, this cap fell apart and it's completely destroyed. So it was leaking all over the place. And I was kind of tired of having to push a button, push it down, have no fuel coming out, just a pain in the butt. So we're going to get rid of that altogether. What we're going to be doing is installing a valve stem into the back side of the can to use as an air bleeder, and it'll be positioned right there. You can move it up a little bit. I'm putting mine here because I slide this in and out of a truck, and so I need it to be about even with the top here. So I'm putting mine right there. Taking my drill, I'm just going to drill a pilot hole right into the back side. Now we're going to use a step drill, and I'm just going to take this up to 9/16. Next, we're going to take our safety wire and we're going to put it in through the hole that we just drilled and fish it out through the front. Next up, we're going to remove the valve stem cap and the valve stem core using the valve stem core removal tool. Set that aside. Now we're going to fish this onto the wire that we just put through the front this way, and we're going to put a little bend on the back side of it so that as we pull it through, it will fish its way through here. You want to try to leave as much of the wire as you can so that you still have some sticking out of the pour side whenever you're all said and done. Now that we have our little bend here, we're going to pull it through to the other side just like that. And then using our pliers, we're just going to grab this guy here and pull it out tight. Now we can pull the wire out, put that guy on, and put your new spout on. And you're all done. So now, instead of having a broken spout, I've got a brand new one, and when I'm using these things with this modification done, I'm just extra careful whenever I do it. You know, you start your pour, you break this loose, and you can put your finger over top of it to kind of control the flow coming out of the spout. Whenever you're done, just make sure that you tighten everything back up so that you're not leaking fuel out. Always be careful whenever you're transporting fuel of any type. You know, use your noggin. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got something out of the video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.